Thank God we all arrived safely in Cebu City for the first stop of the 24SG Philippine Tour. As usual, I'm excited to go around the city to do our promotions. Nakakatuwa talaga na kahit pabalik-balik na ako sa Cebu, marami pa rin ang nag-aabang sa akin. It's a long day, full of different promo stops, but as long as I see that there are Cebuanos waiting for me, nakaka-boost ng energy.
Sobrang pasalamat ko po sa mga, lalo sa Popstar Cebu. Kasi pagdating ko pa lang ng airport, andun sila para sumalubong, to welcome me. Tapos may mga wala silang banners, ganyan, to show their support. Maraming salamat. Bella Press Conference. Yun yung first activity ko. Nung nakarating ako ng Cebu, introduce lang namin sa kanila yung bagong commercial with Miss Tony Gonzaga.
Introducing the best ever Bello Essentials. Now enhanced with microencapsulated technology for starlight skin that glows.
Hello guys! Share ko lang sa inyo yung itinerary namin dito sa Cebu for my 24SG concert. Ito po yung kick-off ng aking Philippine concert tour. Pagdating po namin from the airport, from Manila, dumiretso kami ng hotel. And pagkatapos sa hotel, pumunta kami dito sa isang venue dito para sa press conference ng Bello Essentials. And after po ito, pupunta na kami, mag-start na kami ng promo, para pupunta na kami ng Globe sa isang mall yata dito sa Cebu. Maraming salamat po for joining us this afternoon. Of course, I'd like to thank Bello Essentials and Ms. Lerma for once again having me here in Cebu. Ito sana po, we are hoping for a beautiful, great show tomorrow night.
We're here to support Sarah's 24SG concert. So before that, we invited her to attend our press con because we actually mounted this event to give us an opportunity also to share the good news to our media friends, to our Cebuano consumers about some big news about the brand. So may mga nilaunch kami new products, and we're just so happy to have and lucky to have Sarah grace the event this afternoon. I think mga 90-95% of those we've invited were here. Same people who had also been so supportive of the Bello Essentials brand.
Because aside from being our endorser, you are also an avid user. Or my favorite ka daw.
Avid user. Avid user. Yung kanyang scent, it gives me that very fresh and feminine scent. So very light and feeling at ang ganda-ganda ng feeling.
Actually, this is my second time to join a press con with Sarah Geronimo, and I would say there's a big difference from the first and to this one because now parang carefree na siya. Ang bilis na niya sumagot ng mga tanong. So, she's an improved Sarah, di ba? Sinabi kanina sa press con, she's going to be an improved Sarah. So parang we see signs now of a new Sarah Geronimo.
She's getting more prettier. She's bubblier than ever. We're still amazed at even though how we know she's a million income earner, no? Pero when we look at her, yung outfit niya parang simple lang niya. But still simple yet elegant. Infectious yung pagka-bubbly niya. In fact, she has an infectious smile. And we appreciate na hindi naman siya minahirapan today, ha? So, and we appreciate her honesty and she's always a breath of fresh air to talk to.
The press con was good. I think lahat ng mga tanong nasagot niya and we got the answers we wanted from her. So it was a good one.
As always, parang if it's a Sarah show, everyone looks forward to that. Pinaghahandaan talaga siya. And what Sarah said earlier, she herself from her end, she's doing some preparations to make sure that she gives the best show.
Thank you very much, Sarah. Thank you for being here. Starting Media Friends in Cebu. Salamat po ulit for being here. mall. Ganyan din, same din, nag-picture taking. Yun lang. Smile. Invite namin yung mga tao na manood ng show.
Kasi magpapa-additional kami. Tapos, accidentally, andito si Sarah.
My favorite singer, favorite actress. She's so pretty.
Yes, very happy. In fact, we called our mga titas, pero hindi na nakaabot.
Ka-Berks, kaya lang wala sila eh. Dito sana sila, paborito talaga nila din si Sarah.